Here's what to do if refrigerant is not coming out of your can into your car. So first you need to make sure that you have vacuumed the system down with a vacuum pump and that it's holding vacuum. If it's got vacuum in the system, the pressurized gas should go in. But if it's not, this could be your problem. Okay, you could have a shitty tap, not letting anything through. And how you can figure this out is by manipulating the handle and then unscrew here. And if no gas comes out, but you can unscrew this fitting if you turn the whole thing to the left and gas comes out of there, you know the can is punctured, but it's not making it through the valve. Okay, so this one, it's got a bad valve. Now this one, it was really pissing me off because I'm like, dude, I got another gauge set, I got another valve, why is it not working? Well, the problem here is actually the rubber O-ring right here. So all I did is I loosened this fitting and that allowed gas to flow. Without it leaking out, of course, but it was you could see it flow through the sight gauge once I loosened that. So the issue was the O-ring in there can get folded over the orifice and you won't get any flow. So there's two ways that will cause refrigerant not to flow through the tap of the can. There you go.